my name is Johanna Walker, and I am representing the 4-H Ag Innovators Experience. I'm going to be teaching you about bioswales. I'm going to start off with what a bioswale is. Bioswales are water runoff conveyance systems. They are basically the alternate to a storm sewer. They absorb water runoff, and bioswales improve water quality by filtering rainwater. We have a little demonstration here. The red here represents fertilizer. The green represents pet waste. And the blue represents motor oil. And then we have a cup of salt, which represents salt that is applied to your driveways whenever it snows or ices. I am going to pour water into each of these cups, and each of these cups are contaminants. And the water is going to represent rain. So I'm going to pour some water into the red first. Then the green. Then the blue. And last, the cup of salt. So we have our contaminants, and we've poured water into all of them. And then I'm going to pour all of the contaminants into the container, which is our sewer system. So we're going to start with our fertilizer. And then we're going to go on to our pet waste. And then our motor oil. And then last, our salt. And you can kind of see the color. And now it's more of brown color. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add sponges here. And so we're going to lay our blue sponges along the side of the container or the sewer. So we're going to lay it about like this. Okay, and once we've laid out our blue sponges on these sides, we're going to take our yellow sponges. And our blue sponges, they represent soil. So, there's that. And so our yellow sponges, we're going to stand our yellow sponges upright. So I don't know if you can see this. Probably not. So the water's been absorbed. almost completely. And after the water has been absorbed, this is what these sponges should look like. And you can see in the sponges how much of those contaminants have been absorbed. And so you can actually see how well a bioswale will really do. So that's just a little demo of a bioswale. So the cost of a bioswale will vary between $3,000 to $7,000. It really just depends on the size, the type of plant that you use for your native plants, and it also depends on where it is located. Bioswales are less expensive when they are near underground piping, and they're usually located near cities. They are sized to convey at least a 10-year storm. Some other contaminants are any kinds of fossil fuels. To prevent some of these contaminants, you can check to see if you even need fertilizer for your crops or fields, or you can check how much you will need, and also you can drive your vehicles less when it's not needed.